Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you a simple way to meet more girls on ometv. Since ometv doesn't let you filter by gender, the best trick is to change your country instead. I have tested this myself and found a few countries where lots of girls are active online. Let me share them with you. First one, Brazil. If you match with someone there, you can use a translator to chat smoothly. Next, try Indonesia. It's another great option. After that, Mexico is worth checking out. And finally, the United States usually has a good number of girls online too. Select these countries instead of leaving it on all countries and you will have a way better luck. And if you are in South Asia, try logging in around 9 am. That's when you will find the most girls online. Hope this helps. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.